I'm Kathy Krusak, and thank you so much for checking out my coloring workbooks. These are not just any kind of workbooks. These are building blocks for your children to have advancement into school with these learning basics. I See Words provide skills that your child needs to build more confidence while learning how to read in school. Our goal is to provide all youngsters the basic needs that their child needs to advance in the classroom. These early emergent books are great for teachers, parents to help it make them easier for them. I See Words build confidence in that child when entering into kindergarten, first grade, and even second grade and beyond. Practice counting, learning their colors, and all 4 seasons are in. Take the stress out of teaching your child how to read English and make the transition into Spanish to English. These books are great for children ages 3 to 7. Make it fun, I always say. Easy learning through coloring and art. Hope to see you back soon. And as always, thanks for checking out my coloring workbooks. Bye-bye for now.